Welcome to Sam's Sailing Adventures. So much fun happening here. Such a lovely passage. No complaints. Smooth sailing. If you're interested in more content like this, please hit that follow and subscribe button, as it is free, does not cost a penny, and it helps the channel more than you can imagine. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's just enjoy this view here. It was off the North Carolina coast there. Such a beautiful boat, transporting it down the coast from Beaufort, North Carolina to Beaufort, South Carolina. Must I say, amazing. Amazing. We had a northerly wind at our back. Can't complain. Such a nice boat. Great little ship to sail. As you can see, that's us in port. What a great place to show up to. Thank you for tuning in, as always. Peace and love.